Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel.
Let's talk about something we almost never talk about: money. Isn't it weird? Money is a huge part of our lives, but talking about it can feel so awkward, so taboo. We stress about debt in silence. We celebrate our financial wins quietly. And we try to figure out things like investing and saving all on our own.
Well, I say it's time to change that.
This channel is all about breaking the silence. It's a space where we can openly and honestly discuss everything from budgeting and paying off loans to making smart investments and building real wealth. No judgment, no gatekeeping, just real talk and practical advice.
My goal is to demystify personal finance and make it accessible for everyone, no matter where you're starting from.
But this isn't just about me talking to you. It's about building a community. A place where we can share our struggles, our successes, and learn from each other. Because when we talk about money, we take away its power to control us and start building the financial future we deserve.
So, if you're ready to stop feeling alone on your financial journey, hit that subscribe button and join the conversation.
Let's get this money talk started.
Thanks for being here.